guys, welcome back to my channel and I hope everyone is doing good. I am back with this week Walgreen haul and deals video, and thank you all for joining me once again. I truly appreciate all your support. If this is your first time here, I would like to welcome you and I hope you like it here. Please don't forget to like, comment and subscribe and share the video if you can. And let's go see what Walgreen have for us today. The first item I picked up is a Remo foundation, originally priced at $6.29, but it's on clearance for $3.99. And these items are actually on buy one get one half off, but I'll be picking up just one. Check your app because we have a $3.50 coupon that will apply to this. And also check Ibotta is giving back $2, and I think it's a limit of 3. If everything works out, this will end up being free and a $1.51 money maker. I want to check this item out by itself to see if I will get any booster coupon to use in my next deal. This was a very easy transaction. The $3.50 came off. I ended up paying just 49 cents out of pocket plus tax, and I'll be submitting my receipt to Ibotta to get back $2 for buying this. And I also got the booster coupon. It's $7 back when you spend $25. I'll be using it in my next transaction. I will start my next transaction off by grabbing another lip product from the Remo. It's on sale for $3.99, and we also have a $3.50 coupon that will drop it down to 49 cents, and I'll submit my receipt to Ibotta for $2 back, making it free and a $1.51 money maker. The next product I'll be picking up will be the Scope mouthwash. They're on sale for $5, and the deal with these products are when you buy 3 or more, you get $5 register reward back. These are the 3 I'll be picking up. Check your app. We have a 5 off 3 coupon that will apply to it and drop it down to $10. You pay the $10 and get $5 back, making all 3 products $5 or $1.67 each. If you don't want to pick up the mouthwash, you can pick up the Oral-B toothbrush. They are also part of this deal, and they're on sale for $5. Picking up 3 will be $15. We have a coupon that will apply to this. That's a 5 off 3, and it's going to drop it down to 10. Pay that and get $5 back, making all 3 items $5 or $1.67 each. To complete this transaction, I'll be picking up some Oreo ice cream. They're on sale for $2 for $9. It's not giving back any register reward or Walgreen cash, and we don't have any coupon for this. Check your Ibotta is giving back $2 on each, and also your Shopkick is giving back 375 cakes, limit of 3. So picking up 2, you're going to get back 750 cakes. That's almost $3. And also for the Ibotta, I'll be receiving back $4. And after both rebates, these 2 items are going to end up costing me just $2 or $1 each. And these are all the items I'll be picking up with my spend $25, get $7 Walgreen cash. Let me go check out and I'll be back with my receipt. Before we go over the receipt, I would like to mention that I didn't get back the $7 Walgreen cash after I checked out. And the cashier also noticed that I'm supposed to get it, that he don't know why that didn't happen, but I was issued another $7 Walgreen cash. This transaction went very well. You can see the items I picked up, and my coupons applied very well. The $3.50 coupon for the Remo product came off, and the 5 off 3 for the Scope. I ended up using 2 register rewards I previously earned, a $6 and a $5. And it dropped my subtotal down to $8.49 plus tax. I paid that out of pocket, and I got back $5 register reward for buying 3 of the Scope products. I submitted my receipt to Ibotta for a $2 back for the Remo lip product, and also a $4 back for the Oreo sandwich. That's $2 back on each. And I submitted my receipt to Shopkick for 375 cakes back on each product. And after the rebates and the register reward plus the Walgreen cash, this whole transaction ended up being just free and a $1.51 money maker. These next deals I will share from now on, I did not do, but I feel like if somebody needs them, there you have it. The Angel Soft 9 Mega Rolls are part of the buy 2 get $3 register reward back, and they are on sale for $6.99. pick up one. And you can also pick up one of the quilted Norton on sale for $6.99 as well. These two items are going to total $13.98. Check your app because we have $1 for each item. It's going to drop it down to $11.98. Pay that and get $3 back, making both items $8.98 or $4.49 each. Next deal I have will be on Head and Shoulder products. Some of them on sale for $6, and the deal with this is when you buy two, you get $4 register reward back. Picking up two, we have a 3 off 2 digital coupon that will apply to it and drop it down to 9. Pay that and get $4 back. That will end up making these two products $5 or $2.50 each. The next deal I have will be on Colgate products. On the deal of buy two or more, you get $3 register reward back, and some of them are on sale for $4.50. Pick up one of the toothpaste and also pick up one of the mouthwash at $4.50 each. These two items are going to total $9. We have a 5 off 2 coupon that will apply to this in our app and drop it down to $4, and you get $3 back, making both items just $1 or 50 cents each. The next deal I have here will be on the Dollar Shave Club product. On the deal of spend 10 or more, you get $3 register reward back. And you can see one of the $5.99 is tagged at my store, but it's no more. But if your store have it, pick up two. It's going to total $11.98. We have a $4.50 off coupon in our app that will drop your subtotal down to $7.48. Pay that and get $3 back. That will make the two items just $4.48 or $2.24 each. And check your fetch to see if you have these 2,000 points for buying this product. That will make these two items even cheaper. The last deal I have in this video will be on Old Spice deodorants. They're on sale for 2 for $13, and when you buy two, you get $4 register reward back. We only have a 1 off 2 coupon in our app that is going to apply and drop it down to $12. Pay that and get $4 back, making both products just $8 or $4 each. I hope you all enjoyed this video because this is where my video concludes for today. Thank you all for watching, and I'll see you next time. Bye bye.